Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about this hair. As you can see, it's like a bronze gorgeous color, and it's a 13 by 6 frontal. What you see me now is I'm going to go ahead and prepare my edges. I'm going in with edge control, and I'm just simply using cold air on my blow dry to sculpt those edges. I'm using a stocking cap that is close to my complexion. You want to use a stocking cap that is close to your complexion. And I'm going in with my Bold Hold Liquid Gold Activator. Guys, if you do not have this and you install your wigs, please invest, mom, because this thing is so good, especially when you're doing a ball cap method. It looks so nice. Like, it looks so nice. So what I go ahead and do is I go ahead and cut my ears first, and then I go ahead and cut the perimeter of my hairline. You want to cut as squiggly as possible, if you know what I mean. You don't want to cut straight across. You want to cut directly how your hairline shape is. It's simply going to give you the effect that this wig is growing out of my scalp, okay? So everything is cut now. What I go ahead and do is I go ahead and use that same bow hold liquid gold, and I go ahead and press that all around the perimeter, and I just go ahead and press that down, and you can see it's melted already. What I go ahead and do now is I go ahead and put my contour shade, because that's a little bit more darker, on the cap and then also on the wig lace. So a crucial part is actually wig placement. What you see me now is basically just measuring where exactly I want this wig to stay. Obviously, I have a middle part, so it needs to be even. I'm just going to go ahead and play with that and see. I went ahead and actually put the powder again on the lace. I'm using the Bold Hold glue. This glue is really nice, and it does give you a subtle hold. It depends how much glue you put, how many layers you put. Everyone's body is different. Everyone, longevity is different. You may want to put 3 coats. You may want to put 5 coats, depending on how long you want the wig to stay. For the sake of this video, I only really did 2 coats, because I didn't really want the hair to stay in that long. I really wanted the hair to just stay in for like 2 days, and honestly, it did stay in for 2 days. In with my blow dry, and I'm just gonna go ahead and dry that down until it shows up as clear, and then I'm gonna go ahead and place the wig. Obviously, you want to take your time with this, guys. Please, take your time with this. This hair process takes time. Don't think because this video is kind of fast forward, it's a fast process. It takes time. What I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm using that comb to press down the lace on the glue. And I'm going to go ahead and use my hand again just to apply some small pressure. And then go ahead and start cutting the lace. Like I said, you don't want to cut directly straight. You want to go ahead and, go in like squiggly lines. I feel so childish using squiggly, but, like, honestly, just don't do it so straight. Just go in a jagged edge. And I'm just going to go ahead and continue that step. And I'm going to go ahead and cut as close as possible where I see the glue and the lace meet. So what you see me now is I'm putting that same bold hole glue on just the places that didn't catch. And I'm just going to go ahead and lift the hair gently, and I'm just going to go ahead and place that down with the comb. You don't have to do layers with this, honestly, but you can go ahead and just use one layer. And I'm just going to go ahead and repeat that step all over. And something I noticed doing this step is because the comb is, you know, like metal, what you want to have is something that can just wipe the excess glue off, just so you don't have any like white residue. For me, I didn't really wait for this to dry 100%. As you can see, it is kind of white, but I promise you it dries down clear. You wouldn't even know that this had happened. Is I'm using my Got to Be Free spray, and I'm just going to go ahead and melt that down with my comb. And I'm just going to go ahead and repeat those steps all around the areas I feel like just need some more hold. So I'm going in and I'm just going to go ahead and tie that down with a silk scarf. And I'm just going to go ahead and add some light oils to the hair. I went ahead and did my makeup off camera, guys. And I'm just going to go ahead and add some light oils. I went in with my Nairobi setting lotion. I really like this Nairobi one. It just does something, like it has a hold to it, and it's so nice. If you are a beginner, go ahead and invest into this one as well. It's really nice, really good. I went ahead and added some baby hairs as well, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut that down, and I'm gonna go ahead and use that Nairobi rapid setting lotion again. I'm going in with my Care wax stick. If you don't have a wax stick and you are a beginner, please invest into a wax stick as well. It tams all the flyaways, and it just melts everything down once you have a hot comb as well. Please invest into a hot comb. It's 2021. Please invest into a hot comb. Even when you're running late, you can just do the hot comb and you're out the door. I went ahead and just flat ironed the hair lightly as well. And then I used that Nairobi rapid setting lotion on the top as well to just lay everything. Added my concealer on the middle part lightly, just because I did want it a little bit more defined. Okay, and this is the final look, guys. Thank you so much. I'm gonna go ahead and leave all my information down below, my hair page, my Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching, and happy new year to you. Happy new year to everyone that is watching this video. I pray that this year is fruitful. I pray this year brings so many blessings to us, and God just shower us with his blessings and his love. I'm really excited for this year. Everyone is looking forward to this year, because 2020 was just a mess. So many things that people wanted to do we couldn't even do, but I feel like this year is just kind of like an eye-opener, and it's kind of just like anything you want to do, do it, because this life is short. It is short. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next upload. Bye.